Let's see. Is it good? Is yours good?
Yeah, that's mine. No, back up. Woo! Wait.
¿Vas a meter? Hasta que él te diga.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
I think it's the same one. Oh no.
No, it's different. This one's smaller.
Esa que se metió está grande,
See, when they're smaller, they're way faster. That's why they'll take off. When they're bigger, it gives a lot of fight.
It won't take off, but it was a deal, huh?
Yeah, it's because they're so big. But the smaller ones, they're way faster.
I took good.
Probably like a,
Like a 10, 15.
nah, like a 6.
600.
Hold on. I'm probably just gonna pull them up. No, I'm gonna pull them up. I'm not gonna, yeah, I'm not gonna play with them. What's up? Let me see.
Y esa está grande, y fíjate la que nosotros estábamos grande.
You guys don't eat them, huh?
No.
Yeah, I don't either. You want them?
Fuck it, I want him.
For real though, are you gonna take them home and eat them or no? Cause I'm not.
I would.